When the word MC comes up, what impression you have in mind? Usually, people will think about public speaking, stage, and also good vocal. Yes, being an MC requires having good vocal expression. It doesn't mean that we should have like super voice, super vocal like Frank Sinatra, or powerful wide range like Celine Dion. No, it means that we should have powerful, strong voice that is clear, that can help us to be confident and powerful on stage, creating connection with the audience. I'm Nirmala Trisna. You're watching MC Bali channel. This video will share how we can exercise our vocal by controlling our breathing, and also to remind you that we need to exercise our vocal organs. It is important for MC to regularly practice our vocal because, as I mentioned earlier, vocal is one key ingredient to become a good MC. Let's start with our ability to control our breathing. Let's start regular breathing. If you do inhale and exhale, which body part that is filled up with air? Do you do this? Or this? Did you notice the difference? This breathing is called chest breathing. It is called chest breathing because the chest was filled with air when we inhale. And then the second one is called belly breathing or stomach breathing because the belly was filled with air when we inhale. Okay, the question is, which one is better? I was taught by my mentor, like 2 decades ago, that belly breathing is better than chest breathing. When I was a kid, I also attended vocal school, like a choir school, and the teacher also taught us to use belly breathing. Fill up the air when we inhale to our belly as much as we can. And then speak or sing. Some of you may ask, why? Why does it matter? Belly breathing or chest breathing? Well, for chest breathing, one reason that I can say is visually, if you are speaking on the stage or on screen, you can see the body movements. You can see that you are taking a breath like this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, something like that. You can see, like, you can feel if the MC is tired, or like, even though the MC was not tired, but the audience feel like, oh, poor MC, like he's been running all around the place and he's breathing like this. Okay, but technically, belly breathing is better than chest breathing because the belly has bigger space than the chest. Bigger space means more air that is stored inside that belly, and it means we can speak longer or sing longer. More air means more power. So, belly breathing will give more power to our vocal. Let's practice, or let's switch your breathing technique if you are currently using chest breathing. Sit up straight, or alternatively, you can lay down on your back, put your hand on your belly, and then inhale through your nose. Make sure it goes straight to your belly. It's just like you are inflating a balloon. Your belly becomes bigger. And then exhale through your mouth. Your belly becomes deflated. Try again. If you put your hand on the belly, you can feel that your hands, or your hand, if you're putting both hands, yes, your hands, you can feel that your hand is moving. That's how you check that your belly is actually filled up with air, not your chest. So you should concentrate to check your organs. Make sure that when you inhale, it goes to the belly. Do this regularly, like when you meditate or before you go to bed or when you wake up. Another way to increase the power of your breathing is by doing cardio exercise, of course, and also yoga, because yoga helps us to control our breathing. I like to check on the progress of my vocal power by saying words using this belly breathing. The words that I say is with numbers, so I can check how long I can speak with one breathing. This is how I do it, and this is how usually the vocal coach for a public speaker give this kind of exercise. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000. Yes, I did from 1 until 22. Now your turn to try. And check until what number you can reach. Do this regularly because, of course, it doesn't just happen in one night. You should regularly practice and be very conscious on the belly breathing technique. Be conscious on finding our belly and breathe. Breathe slowly. Inhale and exhale. So that is one exercise to create or to increase our vocal power. The next ingredient or the next key element of vocal expression is good articulation. Of course, every language have different pronunciation, have different technique of saying words, but any words, any language requires good articulation. One simple way to do it is practicing our vocal organs. The mouth, the tongue, the jaws. Well, I'm not really expert on vocal organ exercise. There are plenty of reliable sources online, and I suggest you to go to the internet to find many exercises on how to practice our vocal organs. There are plenty of exercises online. So do that regularly. Do exercise for our vocal organs so our vocal organs can function properly when we speak. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, just write in the comments down below. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. I hope you all stay safe and healthy. See you next time.